Task 2. In some countries, celebrities complain about the way media publicize their private lives. Some people say that they should accept it as a part of their fame. Do you agree or disagree? Sample answer. Indubitably, media plays an imperative role in refining the outlook of people. In few nations, media has great influence on celebrities' life and often highlights their private matters. A few masses hold the opinion that famous stars have to compromise with the fact as the revealing their privacy provide them name as well as fame. I do not appreciate this aforementioned notion due to certain reasons which are discussed in ensuing paragraphs. In the inception, the prominent reason for opposing the view is that big guns are also human beings and they have right to enjoy their comforts of their personal life without having interference of the outside world. In ordinary life, they behave, act and live like common people. What is more, majority of celebrities are well known because their jobs put them in the spotlight. They should be allowed to relax, sit and enjoy with their near and dear ones. Being followed by paparazzi can be sometimes scary or deadly. To vindicate, the world lost very eminent public figure Princess Diana. There was a prediction about her death that she died because she was stalked by media personnel and in the process of running away from them her car met fatal accident. Synonymously, celebrities are already under a lot of pressure to perform well as they are public figures and they are always in the public eyes. Whether it is a politician, a sport person, a singer or an actor, all these professions requires to be best all the time. If heavyweight chase them, then it may affect their performance. Over and above, the renowned person are also role model for many people. When any negative side of their private life is exposed in the public, then their followers not only consider it as glamorous but also try to follow their footsteps, which have detrimental effects on the society as a whole. To illustrate, if individuals come to know that their favorite stars smoke or drink in the private life, then they believe that there is nothing wrong in doing so and imitate their idols. Thus, revealing immoral activity of any celebrity can affect the life of their followers. To recapitulate, it can be reaffirmed that responsible journalism means knowing its limits. Media should not misuse its power and it should not interfere in the private matters of celebs because they also have the right to privacy. Media should be judicious and know that how much and what to report.